Okay, so this one's your secondary oocyte. It's got a nucleus. Remember, the nucleus is haploid at this point, only 23 chromosomes. The white represents the zona pellucida, and all these cells on the outside of the corona radiata. That's the last time we're going to see the corona radiata, but really it would continue, because fertilization is going to happen here. It's going to continue basically to swap off layers as you make your way down the uterine tube, the infundibulum, through the infundibulum, the uterine tube. Now they're showing sperm penetrating here, right? And so you see a little tail on the sperm, and they're actually, this one should have a little thread on it too. It looks like somebody's yanked it off. So the sperm is pushing its way through the corona radiata. It's going to bind over here initially to the zona pellucida and come down to the plasma membrane. Then it's going to trigger this activation of the cytoplasm. So the first thing that's going to happen is we're going to get depolarization out over here of this oocyte plasma membrane, right? And that's going to prevent any more sperm from coming through and binding to it. It's also going to trigger the completion of meiosis II, which we can see occurring down over here. So the male genetic material is basically just kind of hanging out, waiting. The female is going to go ahead and complete meiosis II. We already have one polar body over here. We're now going to have the formation of a second polar body. The first polar body, in fact, usually divides, producing two more polar bodies, but not always, right? Now, once that's complete, we're going to have the female and male pronuclei come down over here together, and they're going to join, they're going to fuse, right? So that fusion is the syngamy part over here. We're now going to have a complete fertilized